We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.